The vital essence: understanding blood groups. Blood courses through our veins, carrying life-sustaining oxygen and nutrients. This crimson river is more complex than it appears. Our blood carries hidden markers, a unique fingerprint identifying it as our own. We call these markers blood groups. Blood groups are determined by the presence or absence of specific antigens on the surface of our red blood cells. These antigens alert our immune system to the presence of foreign invaders. When our body encounters blood with unfamiliar antigens, it triggers a defensive response leading to potentially life-threatening complications. Think of it like a lock and key system. Each blood group has a unique lock, and only the corresponding key can unlock it without triggering an alarm. This intricate system of blood groups is vital for safe blood transfusions, organ transplants, and even pregnancy. Join me on this journey as we unlock the secrets of this vital essence that flows within us all. The ABCs of blood, unveiling the four main types. There are four main blood groups, AB, AB, and O. Each group is defined by the presence or absence of two main antigens, A and B. Group A blood has the A antigen on its red blood cells and anti-B antibodies in the plasma. Group B blood has the B antigen and anti-A antibodies. Group AB blood contains both A and B antigens but lacks both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Group O blood has neither A nor B antigens but possesses both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Understanding the different antigens and antibodies present in each blood group is critical for determining compatibility in transfusions. We'll explore the intricacies of blood compatibility in more detail later on. The Rh factor, another layer of complexity. In addition to the ABO blood group system, another important factor influences blood compatibility: the Rh factor. The Rh factor, named after the rhesus monkeys in which it was first discovered, is another antigen found on the surface of red blood cells. People who have this antigen are considered Rh positive, Rh+, while those who lack it are Rh negative, Rh. Just like with the ABO system, the presence or absence of the Rh factor is crucial for determining blood compatibility. For instance, an Rh negative individual can only receive blood from another Rh negative donor. The Rh factor is particularly important during pregnancy. If an Rh negative mother carries an Rh positive fetus, there's a risk of Rh incompatibility. This can lead to a condition called hemolytic disease of the newborn, HDN, which can range in severity from mild jaundice to life-threatening anemia. Understanding the Rh factor is essential for safe pregnancies and transfusions. A legacy in our veins: inheriting blood groups. Our blood group is a gift passed down from our parents. Each parent contributes one of their two ABO alleles to their offspring, determining the child's blood type. The A and B alleles are codominant, meaning they both exert their effects when present together. The O allele is recessive, meaning it's only expressed in the absence of A or B alleles. If a mother with blood group AB has a child with a father who has blood group O, the possible blood types of their offspring are A or B. The mother can pass on either the A or B allele, while the father can only pass on the O allele. Therefore, the child will inherit either the AO or BO genotype, resulting in blood group A or B respectively. The inheritance of the Rh factor follows a similar pattern. The Rh positive allele is dominant over the Rh negative allele. Understanding the principles of blood group inheritance has practical implications in various medical scenarios. The dance of compatibility: transfusions and transplants. Blood transfusions save lives, but compatibility is crucial. Blood groups determine compatibility. Incompatible transfusions can be fatal. Matching blood types is key. Compatibility is also vital in organ transplants. Careful matching reduces rejection risk. When harmony falters: the perils of incompatibility. While blood transfusions and organ transplants have revolutionized medicine, they are not without risks. One of the most serious complications is an ABO incompatibility reaction, which occurs when a person receives blood or an organ from a donor with an incompatible blood type. Imagine a scenario where a person with blood group A receives a transfusion of blood group B. The recipient's immune system, armed with anti-B antibodies, recognizes the B antigens on the transfused red blood cells as foreign invaders. This triggers a cascade of events, leading to the destruction of the transfused red blood cells. This immune attack can manifest in a range of symptoms, from mild fever and chills to life-threatening conditions such as kidney failure, shock, and even death. Given the potentially fatal consequences of blood incompatibility, healthcare professionals take meticulous care to ensure that all transfusions and transplants are performed with compatible blood and tissue types. Rigorous testing and cross-matching procedures are in place to minimize the risk of these life-threatening reactions. Blood and predisposition. Unraveling the links to disease. The connection between blood type and disease has been a subject of scientific inquiry for decades. While blood type alone doesn't determine whether we'll develop a particular disease, research suggests that certain blood types may be associated with a higher or lower risk of certain conditions. For instance, studies have shown that people with blood group O may have a lower risk of developing heart disease compared to those with other blood groups. Conversely, people with blood group A may have a slightly higher risk of developing certain types of cancer, such as stomach cancer and pancreatic cancer. Blood group A has also been associated with an increased risk of developing blood clots, particularly a type of clot called venous thromboembolism, VTEL. It's important to note that these associations don't imply causation. Many other factors, such as genetics, lifestyle, and environmental exposures, play a significant role in disease development. Understanding these associations can help in making informed health decisions. Unmasking your blood type, the science of determination. Determining your blood type is a relatively simple yet crucial procedure that can have significant implications for your health. This process, known as blood typing, involves analyzing a sample of your blood to identify the presence or absence of specific antigens. The most common method for blood typing is called agglutination testing. This test involves mixing a drop of your blood with different antibody solutions. If your blood cells clump together or agglutinate in the presence of a particular antibody, it indicates that you have the corresponding antigen on your red blood cells. Blood typing is typically performed as part of routine medical checkups, before blood transfusions, and during pregnancy. Knowing your blood type is essential for ensuring safe blood transfusions and understanding potential health risks. Blood typing beyond the hospital, a multifaceted tool. While blood typing is most commonly associated with medical settings, its applications extend far beyond the hospital walls. In forensic science, blood typing can be used to narrow down the suspect pool in criminal investigations. By analyzing blood samples collected at a crime scene, forensic scientists can determine the blood type of the perpetrator, providing valuable clues to aid in the investigation. Anthropologists use blood typing to study human migration patterns and genetic relationships between different populations. The distribution of blood groups varies across different geographic regions, reflecting the migratory history and genetic ancestry of populations. In some cultures, blood types have even infiltrated personality assessments and compatibility tests, although these practices lack scientific evidence. The diverse applications of blood typing highlight its significance as a tool that extends far beyond its traditional medical role. The power of knowledge. Your blood type, your health. Knowing your blood type empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. It allows you to communicate effectively with healthcare providers, ensuring that you receive safe and compatible blood transfusions if needed. Understanding the potential health risks associated with your blood type can motivate you to adopt a proactive approach to your well-being. While you can't change your blood type, you can make lifestyle modifications to mitigate potential risks. For instance, if you have blood group A, which is associated with a slightly higher risk of heart disease, you can focus on maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, and eating a balanced diet to reduce your risk. Being aware of your blood type during pregnancy is crucial, especially if you're Rh negative. Regular prenatal care and timely administration of Rh immunoglobulin can prevent Rh incompatibility complications, ensuring a safe and healthy pregnancy. Seeking expert guidance. Navigating the world of blood. The world of blood groups is complex and fascinating. If you have concerns about your blood type, its implications for your health, or any other medical matter, it's crucial to consult with qualified healthcare professionals. Your doctor can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances and medical history. They can help you navigate the often complex world of blood groups and their impact on your health. By working together with your healthcare providers, you can make informed decisions that prioritize your health and well-being.